Now, Technics are claiming that these are the most advanced earbuds on the market right now. These are the AZ100s, released this year. They've got AI noise cancellation, they've got an IPX4 water resistance, 28-hour battery life. But are they as good as what they say they are? Let's unbox this together and find out. Yes, of course, all the different size ear outlets, what do you call these? These are the earbuds, I guess. All the stuff that nobody needs to worry about. I guess this is what we're dealing with. Straight away, cool, they come half charged, that's handy. I mean, they look beautiful, don't they? Very much like their old ones. I don't see too much difference between these new ones and the old ones in terms of like the design of them. But I've had a pair of Technics before, but they eventually stopped working after maybe about a year. And I put it down to like sweat buildup, and I used to wear them running, I used to wear them to the gym, and I think over time they just slowly got softer and softer, and then they just stopped working completely. So I'm banking on the fact that these ones with their IPX4 water resistant, they're gonna be a little bit better in terms of the long run when it comes to running, no pun intended, and working out at the gym. So let's just run a quick connectivity test. Where's that QR code? Here it is. So I believe you need to scan this. There it is there. It's super quick, super easy. I can hear that it said connected already. Okay. Let's do a quick firmware update. Well, they sit nicely in here, it's one thing. Dude, come on, man. I'm trying to film a video here. Firmware update is simply completed within 15 minutes. See, this is the hard thing about doing unboxing videos, is you just don't know. All right, here we go. Music is borderless and timeless. Great. Okay, they're there. Awesome. Voice. Hello. Whoa. Oh, check how the other party hears your voice. Press the start button, you will hear recorded voice with a delay. Hello and welcome to my Technics video review. It does sound like I'm speaking from a distance. I mean, if I was hearing that, it's pretty clear if I was on the other end. Noise cancelling, sweet. I can probably just adjust that later. Oh yeah, it's got auto optimization for this. Ambient sound. Oh, whoa. Ambient sound, I can hear myself. I can hear everything around it. It feels like I'm in the room. Noise cancelling, I can't hear anything. I can hear my heartbeat. Oh, let's chuck some sound on. Let's chuck some tunes on. What do we got? Jungle, Fred again. Let's just chuck that on. Turn it up. Yeah, it's nice. Let's see if we can play with some, play with some bass. Super bass. What does super bass sound like? Here we go, here's the drop. Oh. Yo, that's not, I can barely hear myself talking. Yeah. I can barely hear myself talking. That's at 3/4. Oh, it's just sensed. It just sensed when I took these out of my ear. That's clever. And what happens if I put them back in? Oh, the music starts straight away. The music starts straight back. You take them out. The music pauses. You put them back in. Kick straight back into it. That is super cool. And I think you can pause by just pushing this. Yeah, you can just pause it by pushing the haptic on the side here. That's really cool. They're super bassy. I can barely hear myself talking with them in. Wow. Those are sick. From a sound quality point of view, that is really nice. All right, let's get a little bit more into the technical aspects. Oh God, of what makes this headphone so good. So AI noise cancelling, I didn't even know what that was until I put these in. It basically blocks out environmental noise. If you're in the office, it'll block out other voices, it'll block out chattering and typing, it'll block out car noises if you listen to music, and it emphasizes your voice and it emphasizes what it is that's coming through the headphone. And I can attest to how well these are when you're in busy, noisy environments. So much so when you put these in, the noise cancelling is so good, you can even hear your own heartbeat. So the battery life and charging, you get 10 hours of playback with noise cancelling on it, and a 28 hours total with the charging case. So that's basically an entire day of use, and if you forget to charge them overnight, you're still good to go the next day. Solid battery performance, no complaints there. So Technics has an app that lets you tweak the sound settings. It lets you adjust noise cancelling levels, customize controls. Personally, I sort of leave it as it is. I do chuck the bass up a little bit, but if you're the type that needs to boost up the bass or fine tune the treble, the app does everything that you need it to. I think one of my favorite features is when music is playing or you've got sound playing through the headphones and you take them out, the music pauses, and then when you put them back in, it just starts playing automatically. That's an answer to a problem I didn't even know I had. I don't know how it does that, but they must have some sort of gyro in here that senses when the earbud moves or when it sort of changes. I don't know, that's pretty smart though. Now in terms of connectivity between multiple devices, seems flawless. I've got these connected to my laptop, I've got them connected to my phone. If I'm getting phone calls, it switches over automatically if I'm listening to music. Connectivity on this is quick, seamless. I'm really impressed with that. For casual listening, they fit brilliant, no discomfort. But for workouts, it kind of depends. I've had runs where they stay in perfectly, and I've had runs where sweat turns my ears into a bit of a slip and slide and the earbuds start working their way out. Could be an air-shaped thing, could be the laws of physics. Either way, if you sweat a lot, expect some occasional adjustments. Now, are they what they claim to be, the best earbuds on the market right now? The only thing I can compare this to is my Beats by Dre wireless, which I still absolutely love, but in terms of a quality and a sound and a noise cancelling perspective, these are so much better. These are like 10 times better than a Beats by Dre wireless. So my final verdict, incredible AI noise cancellation. It'll literally make the world disappear. I can't wait to use these on a plane, drown out those baby noises, drown out the engine noise. They've got superb sound quality with full customization on the app. 10 hours of battery life on the headphone itself with 28 with the case. I'm never going to have to worry about recharging or running out of battery when I need my headphones. And the seamless device switching between my phone and my laptop, like I absolutely love that, and just how easy they were to set up. So are they worth your money? They've got elite noise cancellation, great battery life, high-end sound, great app, great everything. They're a really great headphone. So in my books, it's a 10 out of 10. Is that too salesy? I don't want to sound too salesy. I don't want to, just because I've been gifted these doesn't mean I want to say a bad thing about them, but I just genuinely can't say a bad thing about these. So I did. That's what I just did. I just said it now, yeah.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were talking to me.
Oh, well.